Oruguto rukugambwaho norwa Kashinyatindi Bachara Road orwino buringo bwa kilometero 1.9 kandi orukuza kumaraho billioni 11 orwabire rwine kukorwa mu mwaka gumwe konga haturigiro myaka 3 ecyabatura bari kugira ngo kibateganise munonga.
Ntabwo bizo bya contract ukora narugaho abakozi n'abahindura mutureba abasya bamwe banyagwa bagenda muri kirete y'uruguto rwitu rutagenda umisho na rukwero.
Kandi na government ntitubraininga. Yes. Umuntu umwe wamuhumuramo Masaka, wamuha Mbarara, wamuha Ntungamo, wamuha Kabare. Obushi ba engineer abantu bakabajire abakore mu butabo nwenga.
Moses Bosa or managing director wa kampuni ya Multiplex yagamba habizwe biretire imirimo yabo yakererwa umurembo rwa Mbarara Ntungamo na Kabare municipality.
The biggest problem we have encountered for the last 2 years we have been on site is that government through its agencies did not prepare for this project at all. They gave us a contract, we signed it. When we reported on site, they gave us drawings, plans, and we found that the plans are actually not there. It is like telling someone, go and build a house. When you hand him over the plan of the house, it is not a house.
Umuhezo mjocherwa mukuru w'ihanga nagira ngo rugutora haturuhindikire kizubu ombyo kwerinda.
There are holes which are open, which can cause some accidents over there. Lights have not been put there. You know what it means at night. So there are issues of insecurity in that area.
Bwanyuma yo kushanga ntabare imyeze 5 yonka project ya Usmide kahendero ruguto rutakahwire umuhezo wa karishorisho wa government Dr. Patricia Achan Okiria abitire menkito ya ichiro municipality ji okutema mpenda okureba ngo ruguto rwakorwa abantu tubaferwa.
And the reason I came here is basically to engage in this mediation to ensure that we agree, reach a win-win, and ensure that these works go on, and at the end of the day there is service delivery.
Ogu arambwiro rugutoru hamwe n'ekirombe kikampuni egera kwihama amabare ga korasi kandi yashanga hatarorwe kwa soyona eshimirire kuremese nguteza gukorwa.
But the contractor needs to work very closely with the consultant and the engineers so that the materials are tested, he gets the necessary approval, and he puts it on the road. Because right now we do not see any need for delay.
We are going to do our best to finish the work. That's what I can say. And if you have been to Mbarara town, sister roads, they have moved a great deal. Yes, we can finish in that time.
Umuhezo wa karishorisho wa government aherizo watungire mpatano kwezi kumokonka okuba yaherezo rugutoru kitariye cyo naija kwatwa.
In the event that it does not, as the inspectorate of government we shall swing into action because the law gives us powers.
Kampuni ya Multiplex Limited ekayebwe mpatano muri Mbarara City Ntungamo municipality hamwe na Kabare municipality kandi hasigire imyeze 5 yonke nguteze gukorwa ninga sente zikagaruka yo mu World Bank nguto zitahwire. Ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.